Okay guys, now welcome to the vlog. Remember my last video I showed you what we've been working on in the garage, and today's video has something to do with that. If you notice behind me, I got my Cavalier out of the garage. Now I told you we had been working on the garage and we had all the sides off of it, and I told you the garage was my project for the week. Well, this is what we did. Now, keep watching and you'll see how that went. It was a fun day. It was a fun Monday afternoon. So, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And enjoy the show. We'll see you on the next one, guys.
Right, Dad?
It's not going to come down real easy, so...
How are you going to do it, though?
We're tearing down a building.
No,
The truck?
you can try to strap the chain right there. Pull that thing off first.
We're recording.
Come on! Come on. Oh, this is scary. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. You're scaring me. It's coming. Get away from it. Don't get anywhere near it. It's unsafe, okay? Totally now. You have to stay away from it. You buy it. Yeah, it's coming this way. It's coming this way.
On the bus, it was like, I hate change. And I said, you know that garage? Yeah, it's coming. You say you love me. I'll say you say. It's like I'm going through labor.
Yeah, I see it right there.
Yeah.
Dad.
It's stuff that's not going to hurt if anything falls on it.
Focus. I know you don't like it, but it's fine. It's safe.
Oh, I need to hold it.
No, Mom, she's scared. You just have to catch. I'm a friendly Hufflepuff. I found that out today. So I'm just kind of like, woo! We're destroying this garage! The dogs aren't there, so. I thought we were going to try to pull it forward.
I was trying to get it anyway. I want to go.
I think we could find it.
If it does land on it, it might even... Oh my gosh, Donald.
You're saving yourself. I'm protecting my cat.
I'll laugh.
No.
They screamed that we're going to tear down our garage. Dad, get away. You're going to get crushed.
Ready?
Yeah.
Can I hit that way?
Hey, whatever happens, happens. The dogs are secure. They're fine.
And I'm protecting my kitty.
Think the truck's fine?
Gibby's fine.
I don't know. I'd bring it up. I don't trust with the truck. I'm not sure. Oh my God, Donald. Huh?
Where's Casper?
He put her up. She put her up on the porch, but I don't know how.
Hit it hard. No, dear. No, baby. No, it's safe. It's safe. It's safe. It's safe. Dad, you're scaring Gibson. No, Gibby girl. Gibby girl, stay here. If you're safe. Over here. No.
Put a chain around it, okay?
I can't pull it this way because it's... Well, I guess I could.
I'm not worried about it anymore. If it damages that, it damages it. We'll deal with it, okay? Okay, Ducks.
Hold on. Can I make some music? Hey, can I make some music?
I don't know. Try and keep an eye on your dad.
I took a bunch of tests and I found out.
And the cats, making sure none of my kitties are going to come out. Yeah. So you're the drum, right? Drum roll?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm one of those.
It looks tight, yeah. Wow.
Oh!
This is really getting scary now, okay?
You're scared about everything.
It's scary because he has to keep going under there.
I think it's exciting.
I don't like it. I don't want it to fall on your dad.
Sufferable back.
I can put it over here and put this down.
Yeah.
Lean it some more. Well, I think that's the board that will do it. You see how that's it's all leaning?
Okay.
This way it's going to straighten out.
It's not going to hit this. We're going to come out this way.
I don't think so.
You will come out this. Well, come out this way.
See how it's leaning there?
It's scary.
Most likely it's going to go right there. See how this is leaning?
We got to get this done because this is dangerous. We're not doing this ever again, okay? No, we're not. We're not destroying things. We'll take the trailer apart, of course, but that's safer. This damn thing is a monster. Ugh, you really scare me walking around it, but I know you have to.
Is this an activity?
An activity, yeah, I guess so, but you can't do much because you had your tooth pulled. Huh?
What will happen?
Yeah. Hey, you can't do that. You're going to break it. Hold it with both hands.
I don't like it. I don't like it. Ah!
Okay.
Who just farted?
Yay!
No! I don't like it.
Burned some rubber on that, didn't I?
Yeah.
I need to find all my caps. What if my cap is
That's what I was afraid of.
We can't do anything about it.
Well, it would have taken too long to...
Yeah.